Hi, this is Catherine Ironwood. I've written a new book this year, Astrology for Rootworkers, Spellcasting with the Zodiac in Hoodoo and Conjure. And my co-author is the late Professor A.F. Seward, who wrote many books on sun sign astrology. This book is going to be introduced at the 2023 Virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival on June 10th and 11th, 2023. What's so special about Astrology for Rootworkers? Well, for one thing, I promise you, no math. You do have to know the numbers from 1 to 12, the number 360, and that's it. What I'm going to show you is how to cast spells by the moon's phases, the moon's signs, the sun's rising and setting points, and the sun through the signs of the zodiac. I'm going to share more than 80 spells, most of them collected during the 1930s, in which African American professional root workers describe their techniques for working with the sun, the moon, and the signs of the zodiac. In addition, I've included the entire text of Professor A.F. Seward's classic and rare 1920 book, Planting and Harvesting by the Moon. This book and a host of spiritual supplies are included in the goodie box you will receive by mail when you buy your tickets for the festival at hoodooheritagefestival.com. See you there.
We'll see you there.